Alright, let's look at the homework 5.5, number 2. Alright, so the graph is already given, so we just need to find points of intersection. Alright, so we're going to set these two equations together. So we have x minus 7 cubed is equal to x minus 7. Right? So I'm going to subtract x and add 7 so that we get x minus 7 quantity cubed minus x minus 7. Right? So basically put everything on the left hand side. Alright, then factor out quantity x minus 7. Then you're left with let's see, so if you pull 1 out, so it's going to be quantity x minus 7 squared. So that will be x squared minus 14x plus 49. Right? Then if you factor out, x minus 7, so there's going to be negative 1 left. Right? Right, then we should be able to factor this out. So combine these two, you get 48. Right, so we're gonna factor out the second part, right, as, let's see, it's going to be, of course, x and x. And the way it looks, I think it's going to be negative 6 and a negative 8, and hopefully. So negative 6 times negative 8 gives you 48, right? Add them up, negative 14, so that would work out, right? So you can see that the point of intersection is going to be at x equals 6, x equals 7, and x equals 8, right? So what we can do is just to set up the integral for this area. So area, right? So from 6 to 7, integral from 6 to 7, right? The top curve is this cubic function, so it's going to be quantity x minus 7 cubed minus x minus 7. Right? Dx. Right? From 7 to 8, it's going to be the straight line is on top, so it's x minus 7 minus x minus 7 quantity cubed dx. Right? So let's compute that. Right? So antiderivative quantity x minus 7 cubed would be x minus 7 to the 4th over 4 minus antiderivative x minus 7 is quantity x minus 7 squared over 2. Then you have to go from 6 to 7, right, plus same thing, x minus 7, antiderivative is x minus 7. I'm going to take this as a one chunk, squared over 2 minus quantity x minus 7 to the 4th power over 4, right, from 7 to 8. Right, so let's compute that. Right, if you plug in 7, you see that it's 0 minus 0. So you get 0 minus 0 minus, plug in 6. So it's a 6 minus 7 is negative 1 to the fourth. So it's going to be 1/4 minus, right, again, negative 1 squared, so it's going to be 1/2. Plus, right, plugging 8. 8 minus 7 is 1, so it's going to be 1/2 minus 1/4 minus, if you plug in 7, it's 0 minus 0. All right, so you can see that this is going to be, this is a negative 1/4 plus 1/2. So it's going to be 1/4. Negative 1/2 minus 1/4 is 1/4. So 1/4 plus 1/4 is 1/2. All right, so that's the area of the shaded region. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.